Hi, today I'm gonna show you how you can run the power from one side of the wall, from the wall outlet onto another wall side. I'm installing a new bidet and I need the power in my bathroom, so I'll show you how to do it. By the way, I'm not a licensed electrician, so if you don't feel comfortable working with electricity, please call your local electrician. I don't take responsibility for any of your work. I have the situation where I need to have another outlet on the other side of the wall in my bathroom, and I'm just gonna take the power from this outlet and put it on the other side. So how can you do it? It's very simple. First of all, you need to double check that you have no power coming to the outlet before you start working on it. I have a multimeter that checks that there is no power. Okay, so now I can work on it. Now, the whole idea is very simple. The power cable comes from the top, black and white cable. This is black, this is white. And there's another wire coming from here, those junctions, straight to the back of the outlet. So what I need to do is to run the cable, either from the side or from the top, and join those black and white cables and feed it on the other side. This is the location of my outlet on the other side of the wall, and as you can see, this is the box from that side. So I'm going to go, and as you can see, the wires coming on the top. I'm gonna feed the wire from the top going to the box and join it with the existing wires and pull the wires right through here into the new box.
So as you can see, I was able to just feed the cable up from the hole on the bottom of the box. So I'm gonna pull it on the other side and I'm gonna make connection.
And now here you can see that cable coming from the top, and I'm just going to pull it enough so I can just join it with the black and white wire right here, the black and white. For extra protection, I put a electric tape at the end of the wires connecting with the connectors. In the next step, now I have to put this box right here. So first I'll need to feed the cable through one of the holes, push the box in, lock it in place, cut the cables to the appropriate length. Box is in place. For this project, because it's in a bathroom, I'm using 20 amp GFCI outlet, and connections are simple. Hot wire goes here, white wire goes here, ground goes on the bottom. Now the outlet is connected. So you can see black is black, white, and the ground goes on the bottom. Now it's time to mount it in the box. And also, as you can see, this outlet is equipped with the small LED light, which is green right now, so I know that there's a power coming. I'm gonna do the test, and the light is off. So now this one is a little bit more advanced because I can see by indicator light whether the power is coming to the outlet or not. So once I reset it, you saw like a red light for a second. Everything's fine, and green light is on. So that's the end of my project. It took me, I don't know, probably like 45 minutes. The outlet was, I think, $21, box not at $2. This was one of those do-it-yourself projects. I was trained electrician in Poland. I'm not licensed here, but I can do it myself, and I needed extra outlet for my new bidet that is coming later in different video. So thank you for watching, guys, and goodbye.